Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need to act now. Confirm your Windows edition because Home lacks native host support, and then enable the feature. Open Settings, go to System, choose Remote Desktop and toggle it on. Write down the PC name you see. Once done, make sure Windows Firewall allows Remote Desktop for private and public profiles so incoming connections aren't blocked. Also check that your user account is listed under Remote Desktop Users, because only permitted accounts can connect. Add one if needed to proceed. Next, stabilize the network. Assign a static local IP or reserve the address on your router, because dynamic changes break saved connections. Enable network-level authentication for stronger security, and confirm the connecting account has a secure password. Remote Desktop won't accept blank or weak credentials. If you need access from outside your LAN, forward TCP port 3389 to that static IP on your router. But keep in mind this exposes the service. Consider a VPN for safer remote access. Once configured, test internally first. Finally, open the Remote Desktop app on the client PC and enter the hostname or public IP and port. Then authenticate when prompted. Verify the session works on the local network first, since local success isolates router or ISP issues. If you encounter failures, check firewall rules and port forwarding on the router, confirm network-level authentication settings match client capabilities, and ensure the account has remote desktop permission. A key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable firewall or VPN to isolate where the block occurs, then re-enable with corrected rules.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.